Performing a non-invasive butt lift/enhancement.
Non-invasive butt lift 1.0.
How to perform a non-invasive butt lift 1.0. The following are instructions on how to perform a non-invasive butt lift with just the wood therapy tools and vacuum therapy machine. I will explain when and why we do and don't use certain tools and machines for certain people in the video that follows. To begin, have your client remove their pants or jeans and lay flatly on the procedure table. Next, you'll need to disinfect the area of the glutes and legs you'll be working on using alcohol and paper towels. Be sure to always wipe in an upward motion to encourage lymphatic drainage. Once you are done disinfecting the area, you'll need to apply your oil of choice to the back of the thighs and glut area. Avoid nut oils. Next, you'll use the small mushroom wood therapy tool on the back of your client's lower and upper thigh, going in a clockwise motion and pressing down slightly firm. This will help break down the fat in the area and loosen up some of the muscles to prepare for the vacuum.
You'll then use the roller pin, moving the pin side by side, pressing down firmly. The flick of the wrist motion is more so for lymphatic drainage, which is not the focus here, so it is not necessary. You'll need to check in with your client from time to time, confirming that they are okay and comfortable with the pressure. The skin should start to appear a little red at this time depending on the client. Next, you'll be using the metal vacuum tool to drag any broken down fat deposits towards the glut area. You'll do this for about 3 to 5 minutes on each leg. Once you are done with the vacuum tool, you'll grab the wooden paddle-like wood therapy tool and move the paddle from the bottom of the thigh up to the glut area. You'll do this about 10 to 15 times on each side. Next, you're ready to place the cups on your client's glutes. Where you place the cups will depend on your client's desired look. If they are looking for a lift, you'd place the cups higher up, away from the cuff area. If they are looking for more definition and volume, you'd place the cups right under the cuff or towards the middle of the glut area. Once you place the cups on your client and they are successfully attached, place a hand towel in between each cup to cover your client and allow the machine to run for 30 full minutes. Be sure to watch the video on the next slide on how to perform a non-invasive butt lift 1.0.